Charlotte the spider walks on a web shaped like a 5-pointed star. There are 5 outer points, the tips, and 5 inner points where the star's lines cross. At each point she randomly walks to one neighboring point, each equally likely. She starts at an outer point and makes 3 moves. What is the probability she ends at an outer point? You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. The key is the shape of the web. Each outer tip touches exactly 2 inner points, so its degree is 2. Each inner crossing touches 4 points, 2 outer tips and 2 inner points, so its degree is 4. This gives simple rules. From an outer point, both neighbors are inner, so she always moves to an inner point. From an inner point, 2 of the 4 neighbors are outer, so she moves to an outer point with probability 1/2, and to another inner point with probability 1/2. Now track the walk. She starts outer. After move 1 she is certainly inner. After move 2, from inner, she is outer with probability 1/2 and inner with probability 1/2. For move 3, only the inner half can reach an outer point, and it does so with probability 1/2. So the chance of being outer is 1/2 times 1/2, which is 1/4. The probability she ends at an outer point is 1/4.